Hello viewer, welcome to Finance Typhoon, our channel. Today we decided to take most important question related to the stock market and banking, which are commonly hot talk. People are discussing a lot of things. So naturally, this is very important for you to know so that you could be well updated. So mostly we will discuss 10 concept as we form 10 MCQ. So these concept basically related very much with the stock market and banking. As we know, yesterday we talk about the listing. Today we talk about the multi-listing. Multi-listing, that means you have to be list more than 2 or 3 stock exchanges. The second we talk about the fund payout. What is fund payout? This is the account of broker with clearing houses. Next we talk about the option. What is option? I told you in derivative, option, forward, future contract. So what are the strategy basically in India which are adopted in option trading? Next we talk about the book building. What is book building? Book building is a discovery of price by bidding. Next concept we talk about the what is primary market. So there are two market, primary and secondary. So primary market is a basic market when dealer deal with the stock exchanges. Next we talk about the very important part, that's a carbon tax. What is it? You have tax, direct tax, gift tax, income tax and GST etc. But this is a new phenomena since environmental accounting is come into the picture, green financing, a lot of talk about the carbon tax. So when emission go beyond a certain limit, we impose the carbon tax. Then we talk about the it's a wonderful concept which is introduced by European Union, that a carbon border adjustment mechanism. What is it and what is its impact on Indian export market? And then we talk about hedging instrument, and then we talk about the which is the bank currently in verge of collapse in America, and we talk about the award which is buzzword nowadays when certain rate of crude oil and petrol go beyond 92 and 150 US dollar. So that's known as petrol bomb. That is usually occur in our neighboring countries, Sri Lanka and Pakistan. So friends, welcome to our channel Finance Tycoon. The first question, as I told you, the multi-listing was a listing. I told you when certain norms you have to be registered and listed in any stock exchange and your prices are reflected and you got bid of trading. So multi-listing, more than one stock exchanges. So question third is correct answer, first and second. Many stock exchanges, many stocks are listed simultaneously. Next one. Next one. What is fund payout? Fund payout, as I told you, that is a very essential account of broker with clearing house. When we make a settlement automatic with their accounts, we pay the brokerage and debit and credit occur in this demat form. So answer is naturally third one, that there's a account with clearing house and this is responsible for the settlement, right? As I discuss you, that's a very important account after the demat account. There's a broker account. If they have no account, so broker is not allowed to trade. So that is payout. Sometime in pay in also. So both accounts are used for settlement of your trade with clearing houses. Next, which is one option trading strategy. So as I told you, the option call and put option are there. So depending on the value, if both the values are equal, so we call straddle. When value of call is more than put, strip. When strip, when go either way, either less or more or equal, whatever be the situation is not clear. So these are the three important strategies usually is used in Indian context. Abroad also, but staple, strip and step, all of above are three well-known strategies in trading of option. So I hope you are clear. Second is clear, third is clear, option trading, and the fourth one, book building. Book building is new invention. Whenever you are having IPO, so there is a lot of prices. Thumb mechanism, price discovery, bidding, subscribers, minimum subscription, investment banking rule, how we decide the initial price. So this is the book building, new building. So we offer the bid and we select first three bid. So price discovery and price setting by bidding 1 and 2 option. Third is correct. Book building is very nascent and very recent innovation in stock market to determine the IPO prices without any doubt and without any hassle. So I think important book building concept is a very known academic and industry as well. Fifth is participated primary market. So you know in stock market there are two type of market, primary and secondary. When we first time go dealer to trade in stock exchange, IPO, so that is a primary market. Participant are four. We have discussed about the three people: institution, investment bank and corporate. All three are participant. Corporate who generate the security, institution we have to be regulate, and investment banker we advise and sometimes work as a underwriter also. So three pillars are very important to enter in primary market: institutions, investment banker and corporates. So finally you understood that all of above is also a correct answer. So participants are very important for the market, and primary market, dealer to the stock exchange, mainly three participants are very much needed. Next one, what is carbon tax? Sorry, because we are sitting in Uttarakhand, there temperature is much below than plain, so we sometimes feel such type of issue. Carbon tax, as I told you, indirect tax, direct tax and some other gift tax, but carbon tax is the new in the dictionary of taxation system in the world. So this is the tax which is being talked in COPs 25, 26 and Rio Janeiro environmental issue, that those who are polluter must be punished by fine, imposing more of the tax. So this tax is first levied by New Zealand and then European Union, and the tax on emission of carbon more than a threshold level. So you understand? We will discuss in the next video what is the tax and what is the procedure, how you collect the tax. But basically in international business, this tax is very much popular, and now AU and New Zealand is forefront to taking this tax and making a lot of money. So answer is all of the above. Next, what is CBMA? That is very a notorious phenomena for Indian market, because sometimes carbon sink, carbon credit and carbon tax is not absolute to minimize and mitigate the carbon emission, because one who is polluting lot, they bought a lot of carbon credit from the less polluter. So ultimately the pollution is goes into the environment, the loss is everyone, so that is not done deal. So European Union come out with a very innovation, or that is a very nice idea, that carbon border adjustment mechanism, where something is produced we have to impose certain limitation of origin country, where you are producing, what kind of norms you are followed. Every 6 months their team go to their host country from where they are supposed to import and see the norms are fixed or not. So carbon border adjustment mechanism is a kind of mechanism to impose by EU. So answer is EU and also carbon border adjustment mechanism to take carbon tax without hassle. And normally this, what is the impact? Because this is in Indian context, we have export iron, steel and aluminium worth of $2.5 billion. And after imposition of carbon border adjustment mechanism, we are facing a heat, because a lot of taxes imposed by European Union, it dent our export. The people are talking to go to WTO and a World Forum, because that is injustice going to be India. So this is highly impacted metal sector and also IT sector, because we are a lot of software exporting to European and US country. If our metal is disturbed, because we are exporting metal and software equally, so sometimes we deal with a single dealer who make trade off between these two items. So IT and metal sector are very much impacted with carbon border adjustment mechanism. Friends, I hope you are clear. 9. Which one of the hedging technique? Hedging technique, what is hedging? Whenever you face some loss in stock market, so we hedge it by contract, derivative contracts. So in this case, we use a certain hedging technique. Credit sweep is one of the technique. Derivatives one of the technique. Bond is not one of the technique. When we avoid our losses, we go with a contract, pre-decided delivery on a certain price. So that is derivatives. And credit sweep, when we exchange our cash flow, you are having two different instrument and you exchange your cash flow payment vice versa, so that is sweep. So these are two important hedging technique. So sweep and derivatives. Bond is not there. The fourth is 1 and 2. All of above cannot be a right answer. So derivatives and credit sweep is vital technique known to hedge yourself and way away from your losses. I hope friends you understood. The 10th is a very wonderful question everybody is asking. Ki, sir, could you predict any one bank of USA and European are in bridge of collapsing? So these are three banks, Silicon Valley Bank, I told a lot about yesterday lecture. And second is Signature Bank. And now Swiss Credit Bank is worse, because today's report that this asset liability mismanagement and the same cause of bond yield go down and something is going bad. Still, jury is not out for full failure, and Federal Reserve and Joe Biden is and many forum is talking to stabilize the financial system of USA. But Credit Suisse Bank at today's news that is also in dangerous condition. So we pray, because a lot of stock market is very much integrated. So we hope the safety of this bank, because integrated system will impact a lot to the world. God save us, because we have a very certain, very strict Basel rule, and we are conservative. So we have not a bad history of failing a lot of banks. I hope we save, and we will subscribe this channel, Finance Tycoon. My friend told and my team that people are subscribing in bulk, but not stay long. They deleted SMS. So we are expected that you should stay much hours, so that we are benefited, we are inspired, and we are welcome your suggestions and mail. As much you can mail, we and our team will work tirelessly to satisfy your query. Thank you so much, friends. Jai Hind.